Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to take a screenshot through Excel screen clipping tool. We have a two file open. One is a Chrome browser. There is a LCD details, and the second is a Word file. Here is a sample CV. I want to take a screenshot in Excel from these two files. How can we take a screenshot? Just go to the insert. Here you will find the option illustrations. Just click here, and here is a option screenshot. Just click here. This is a Word screenshot and this is a Chrome browser screenshot. I just click Chrome browser. It will take the screenshot of Chrome browser. I just small it. This is a Chrome browser screenshot. I just delete it. Now I want to take the screenshot of Word file. Just go to the insert, illustration, screenshot, and this is a Word file. Just click here. It will take the screenshot of Word file. You can apply any style from here. I just delete it. Now if you want to take a screenshot of any particular area, first just open Chrome browser. I want to take the screenshot of LCD details. Now go to the Excel, and now just move to the insert and illustration and screenshot and click screen clipping. It will open any application. If I click the screen clipping, it will take the screenshot of any particular area. Just click here. Now it will open the Chrome browser because I last opened the Chrome browser. Just drag here. I need this portion. This is a definition of LCD. Now apply any style which you want. I just delete it. Now I just open the Word file. Now if I click insert, illustration, screenshot and screen clipping, it will move to the Word file because I last opened the Word file. I need this particular area. That's why you can take a screenshot from screen clipping tool in Microsoft Excel. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.